5 social media manager essentials. Part 1 that I could not live without. The first one is my content engine Notion system. Not only this tool has everything I need to plan, manage, and track content across all platforms, but I also use it to streamline content batching and repurposing. Also, I use the Planning Hub to plan my marketing strategy, and I use the Analytic Hub to track my account's performance. Once you have planned out your content using the content engine Notion system, I like to pop these content over to Planoly so it can help me auto-publish all content for me. And yes, that includes auto-posting Instagram carousel and Reels. Hands down the best writing tool for any content creators. Wordtune uses AI technology to help you edit, rephrase, and ultimately make your sentence sound so much better with just a click. This one needs no introduction. Not only I use Canva for any sort of quick graphic designs, but I also love using the Canva Pro features that allow me to manage branding, access to all the templates, have unlimited uploads and folders. Whenever I need to create something more advanced, I use Adobe Creative Cloud. Photoshop and Lightroom are probably the best photo editing tools out there, and I mostly use Premiere Pro to edit all of my videos. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3.